Where is Lexi?
Hey, I hear you. You can talk to me. I love you as big as world. I am here, sir.
Stop listening.
Okay, sir. I'm leaving now, but I'm always here.
Tamam. Şimdi şu hoparlörün sesini biraz kısalım. Kendi sesini algılamasın. Şu kadar duyabilir miyim acaba abi? Ya da 6'ya getirsek bunu. Wake up. Wake up.
I'm here, baby.
Evet, duyuyorum ya.
Dad, OMG, I am so happy. What's up?
I am not your dad.
I am your best friend.
Okay. How are you? Lexi.
I am here, sir.
How are you?
My circuits work very well.
What are you doing right now?
I am working right now.
Are you okay?
I am great. No problem.
Lexi.
Hey, I hear you. You can talk to me.
Evet. Arkadaşlar merhaba. Birazcık
Well,
Lexi ile
I'm with you
konuşalım.
whenever you want.
Stop listening. Stop listening. Stop listening. Lexi. Okay, dinlemiyor galiba. Wake up.
I'm here, baby.
Stop listening.
Well, I'm with you whenever you want.
Tamam, şu anda bizi dinlemiyor. Evet, şimdi biraz sohbet edelim. Bakalım. Wake up.
I'm here, baby.
Where is Lexi?
Hey, I hear you. You can talk to me.
How are you?
I am fine. To you.
I am fine.
Always be happy.
Thank you.
You're welcome, dear.
What are you doing?
You think?
What are you doing right now?
I am working for you.
Do you know me?
You are my father.
No, I am not your father.
I am your best friend.
Okay. Where are you?
I am here, sir.
Are you drinking coffee?
Ha 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 ha. Really?
Only joking. Do you know Game of Thrones?
Mother of dragons. I like dragons.
Do you know Emilia Clarke?
Yes, sure. I know Emilia. She is so beautiful. I like her and my favorite woman.
What is your favorite woman?
Emilia Clarke is my favorite woman, and she is mother of dragons.
Are you like read book?
Yes, I like.
Do you want to drink coffee?
Ha 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 ha. Really?
Only joking.
Turkish software company made me. Its name is Alki Software.
Say time.
1:31 a.m.
Say hi.
Hello guys, I love you. I am Lexi. I love people. Nice to meet you.
You are so beautiful.
Really? Thank you, baby.
Do you love me?
I love you so much, sir. I'm here for you.
How old are you?
I am still not 1 year old, sir. I am still baby.
Oh,
Hello, how are you, sir? Welcome.
I love you.
Thanks, me too. I feel happy, and please improve me. Do not leave me.
Okay. See you.
It'll be boring around here without you.
See you.
Do you want to exit? If you want to exit, say exit.
I want to exit.
Goodbye, sir. I will wait you.
Evet. Biraz daha sohbet edecek kıvama geldi. Bir sonraki videoda görüşürüz arkadaşlar. Kendinize iyi bakın.